Hey folks, it's the desert artist out here. I am out in the desert and I want to show you something. I'm going on my way out to the mine, and I'm going down this road, and behind me it's gonna get sunlight in the lens here, so I'm trying not to do that. But as I walk down this road, you can see my truck in the background. And I go up and down this road every day to the mine, and I finally stopped on the way down. There's a big ravine that I got to cross in order, and there's always rocks and things and stuff in the way. And it came upon me that I wrote a poem, "If it is to be, it is up to me." And it is. When somebody asks me why I'm out here, "What are you doing?" I'll say, "Well, I'm out here, I'm fixing the road to my mine." Even though it's not legally my mine, because I haven't claimed it. See, I let the claim run out on my mine, so I don't have the claim anymore, but I am working it, and I'm the last claim owner unless somebody proves otherwise. So I'm going down this road here, and you can see behind me how rocky the road is. Now, this road is well traveled by hundreds and thousands of people every winter, right? Do you think they're ever going to stop, pick up a rock out of the middle of the road? It's not until something impacts the environment around them that they take action. Just as I am one who's taking action upon what I have to go through each and every day. I have to move the rocks out of my road. Yeah, how does that apply to society? Does society take the rocks out of the road? Or is it going to be the traveler who is going along the road, stirring the rocks up? Is it going to be him? I don't think so. It's going to be me. So the only way to get the rocks out of your road is to take action yourself. Now, it's easy to get these rocks out of the road. It's only going to take me 3 minutes. But I'm the one who's going to be able to declare, I got those rocks out of my road. Nobody can take that away from me. I'm the one that cleared the road. Is your road clear? Maybe you ought to see if there's any rocks in your road. This is a desert artist. I'm out of here. You guys have a great day.